How to charge Samsung Galaxy Watch. So if you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy Watch, then here are some steps you can take. So the first step is you will get a charger, right? So you need to plug the charger into a socket and the other end into the charging port. And once you've done that, the second thing you need to do is place the Galaxy Watch on the dock, making sure the back is aligned to the center of the wireless charging dock. And please note, if there are obstructions between the Galaxy Watch and the wireless charging dock, like liquid or dust, it may not charge properly. So make sure to clean it. And then the third step is when the watch starts charging, the dock's LED indicator will display a red light. So there are three types of LED indicators, like three types of lights. So the first is red light. Red light means the watch is charging. And the green light means it's fully charged, and orange light means connected to low power adapter. So if it's a wireless charging, then you will have the wireless charging surface right like this, and you will have the LED indicator. But if it's not wireless and if you have the charging, like if you have the adapter, then here you will have your charging port under your watch. So you can simply insert the charger and then you can charge your watch. So in this way you can charge your Samsung Galaxy Watch, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.